And we're back to learning Inkscape in here, day 111. Let us dive into the tweak tool. It's a very complex tool. We're gonna go over it step by step. At first, we've got these individual circles. And when we activate the tweak tool, we're gonna use the first mode on the top left, which is the move. So just make sure that this is active and forget about the rest for now. And if we left click drag over these circles, you can see we can move them, but only this one on the right hand side. And why is that? Well, it's because it's the only one that was selected. Let me select maybe these 3. I use the tweak tool again, and I can move them using left click drag, and the other ones stay in place. So that's an important feature of the tool. It will only affect the elements that you've got selected beforehand. So select whatever you want to adjust using the tweak tool, then activate the tweak tool. And when we've got it all selected, we can now move all of these circuits around. If you're wondering how you can adjust the size of this paintbrush, you could say, so the element that defines where the tweak is happening, well, you can do that under width, but you can also use the arrow keys to the left and right, and this will adjust the size, make it bigger or smaller. As I've said, it's a very complex tool. This is where we want to start. We're going to go over all of the other modes and all of the other functions in the following videos. I hope this one was already helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.